Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. I think this is the third example about this topic, which is called standard notation or scientific notation. Scientific notation for American, standard notation for British, okay? So the instruction is write the following numbers from the least to the greatest. So we have some numbers written in standard form. We have the smallest or the least, and then we have the greatest. Okay, my suggestion in this kind of exercises is like, this number is written in standard notation, so you pass it to ordinary number, which is this as an ordinary number. If you realize the exponent is negative, so we need to move the decimal point to the left. So this is the same than 2.5. If this one is negative, we move it to the left 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, point. So the point must be here. Okay, so behind the point, you write a 0 and you complete the empty spaces with zeros as well. So this is 0, 0, 0, and 0. Okay, so you do the same thing here with this one. Okay, 3.1 times 10 to the power of negative 1. This is the same than 3.1. And then negative 1, the exponent is negative, so you move it to the left. So you move it once. So the decimal point now is here. So you have the number 0.31, right? This one is very easy because, as you know, this is 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 0 is 1, because that is a property of exponent that says that everything raised to the power of 0, the answer is 1. So this is the same than 4. 4.0 or 4 is the same. Doesn't have any change. And finally, the last one, it says 1.5 times 10 to the power of 2, or to the square, right? 1.5 times 10 square. So this is positive, so this is the same than, if the exponent is positive, you have to move it to the right side. So this is the same than 1.5, and you move this decimal point to the right side 2 times. So this is the same than 1 and 2 point, like this. So you complete the empty space with zeros, like this. So the answer is 150. Yes, and now based on these numbers, you can solve the exercise. So which is the biggest? 150 is the greatest. Well, I think this is a coincidence. Then the next one in order of size is 4.0. Yes, 4.0 or 4. 4.0 or 4, and then the other one is 0.31, and then the last one, which is 0.00025. So that's the last one, 0.00025. And you can leave the answer like this, or you can use just this notation or the same exercises to complete like the answer. So you can leave it like this, or the other option you have is this, which for me is better. For me is better because, I mean, we don't change anything here. So we can use these numbers. So that is, the greatest is 1.5 times 10 to the power of 2. That's the biggest because it becomes 150. Then the other one, which is 4.0. So, but this is 4.0 times 10 to the power of 0. And then this one, in order of size, which is 3.1 times 10 to the power of negative 1. And then the other one, 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Yes. In this way, it has like more order, or is better organized than if we write the decimals, but we can use both notations, all right? This was the first video, or the third, the fourth, I don't remember. The thing is, this is the first time I record a video with this kind of exercises, and I think I will record another one based on this, okay? Guys, again, thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.